Hello, welcome to 5th Generation Nabi Shop and shout out kay Sir Alexander. Sir, welcome to 5th Generation Nabi Shop. This is your unit, the High Kappa 2011 Pit Viper John Wick 4 by EMG. This is fully licensed by EMG. This is the box of the EMG. Ayan, EMG. Crossover ng Terran Tactical Innovation. This is fully licensed by EMG. Ayan, buksan na natin. And sir, before that, it comes with free 0.23 grams 0.23 grams na BBs. Okay? And also, comes with free number 12 na gas. Okay? Buksan na natin, sir. Sir Alexander of Zamboanga del Norte. This is your unit. This is the Terran Tactical Innovation card. Scan nyo lang yung QR code for the instructions. And the magazine. Ayan, this is the magazine of the Terran Tactical AMG. And yung kanyang gas route ay naka-red, type red na siya. And this is it. The unit. Okay, ano na siya, sir? Naka type red na yung loading nozzle niya. Ayan, naka CNC finish. Serrated front and rear. Fiber optic sight. Ayan, fiber optic sight. Okay, yung grip niya ay naka molded grip. Ayan, molded grip, stippled grip, and naka-flared magwell na siya. Okay, ambidextrous manual safety, extended na rin kanyang beaver tail, and naka-armor hammer and armor trigger. Ayan. Type red nozzle. Ayan. This is a ghost profile ng John Wick 4. Ayan. So, hindi na rin siya masyadong magalaw yung barrel niya. Just, unlike sa yung sa John Wick 3, magalaw talaga. At sa Rose Gold, medyo magalaw. But this specific, the black version, medyo hindi siya magalaw. Pero may galaw pa rin siya konti. Ayan. Fiber optic sight, green. Ayan. Green sa front. Sa rear naman, standard sight, adjustable naman siya. Adjustable siya, windage and elevation. Left and right, up and down. Ayan. Okay, made in Taiwan. Made in Taiwan by, fully licensed by EMG. Okay, fully licensed by EMG. This is the John Wick 4 Pit Viper. Okay, unit of Sir Alexander ng Zamboanga del Norte. Okay, and comes with the Allen para sa magazine. So, pag-a-adjust nyo. Kasi pag tatanggalin nyo yung mag base, yan, ito lang. Ito, sa may butas na yan. Yan. Okay, yun yung adjustment. Okay, so, I'm sure, alam na to ni Sir Del, meron na siyang Pit Viper before. So, ayun, scan mo lang yung QR code for instruction. Ayan, EMG. And scan the QR code for instruction. Okay, wow, ganda, no? Terran Tactical Innovation by EMG, fully licensed by EMG. Okay. Ayan. Terran Tactical Innovations. Okay. Sir Alexander, sir, lagyan lang natin ng gas para ma-chronograph test natin kung ilang EPS ito, no? Okay, I'm using number 12. Okay, number 12. You can use also the number 14, pero konti lang ang dapat lagay nyong gas. Doon sa number 14. Okay. Okay, lagyan lang natin ng konti. Okay, Sir Alexander, lagyan ko lang ng gas. I'm using the Ultra for testing. Ayan. Okay. So, ngayon, check natin kung ilang EPS itong John Wick 4. Okay, Pit Viper ni Sir Alexander. The EMG John Wick 4 Pit Viper. Okay, so on lang natin yung aning chronograph. Okay. Okay, Sir Alexander, sir. Check lang natin yung chronograph. Yung EPS. Kung ilang EPS po ito. Okay, this is your Pit Viper EMG John Wick 4. Okay. Firing 348.6. Firing 341.1. Okay, 348.6. Almost 350 EPS po siya. Okay, Sir Alexander of Zamboanga del Norte. Now, proceed tayo sa rapid testing. Okay, Sir Alexander of Zamboanga del Norte, sir. Shoot test tayo ng inyong EMG Pit Viper, the John Wick 4. Ayan, okay. Firing. Okay, open chamber. Release the magazine. Then, hatak nyo lang to, sir. Ayan. Tapos, release. Okay, kasi bumababa na siya eh. Sa John Wick 4, sa Pit Viper, John Wick 4, bumababa na yung slide stop, slide release. Ayan. So, bumababa siya kasi may spring yan, and then release. Okay, Sir Alexander of Zamboanga del Norte. Okay na po ang inyong unit. This is the EMG, fully licensed by EMG, the John Wick 4 Pit Viper, made in Taiwan. Okay? This is 12,450 guys. Kung gusto nyo mag-avail, kasama na yung gas, kasama na yung BBs, all in na siya. Free shipping na rin po. Okay, thank you Sir Alexander. Have a nice day po.